How to draw a crazy sea monkey. Have you ever wanted to draw a crazy sea monkey? After following these instructions, you will be able to draw a sea monkey. First, draw a circle, not too big and not too small. That is going to be that crazy sea monkey's head. Step 2. Next, draw a cute M and M shape in the middle of your face. Then connect with the edges of your face. This is going to be the nose. Now draw 2 big circles just touching the edge of the big circle. These are your eyes. Colour in the rest of your face. Step 4. Draw 2 dots in the middle of your eyes. These are your pupils. Also, you can change the motion, the character for your monkey. In the mouth section, you can draw a train track. That is your mouth. Step 5. For your ears, draw 2 C's and colour it in. Step 6. This monkey doesn't have a body. Draw a upside down U under the head and join them together. That is going to be your body. Draw 2 thin legs and put 3 fingers and put webs on. Follow with the arms. Finally, draw a curly tail and do crazy lines coming out of him. And that is going to be your sea monkey.